Hello, so I'm going to present the visualization for torquay. In fact, it's two of them. The first one is a kind of general view of torquay. It's a bit more rough, but I've made a general map without any buildings just to see where the water goes. So there is 4 areas where it's raining. So in green, the southeast area on this peninsula. In orange, but the southwest area. In red, the northwest, and in blue, the northeast. So if I wait a little bit, you can identify areas there. If I wait a little bit, you can see water starts going down the slopes, and in the southwest, you'll notice that the water just flows to the sea. Whatever seemed to accumulate in the country park just goes through the river and ends up in the sea. And so the southwest area doesn't seem like naturally floodable. Now the southeast is quite interesting because similarly everything seemed to end up in the sea quite fast, except this area. There is a pretty steep set of hills. There's a fairly small room here for the water to go, and the water seems to accumulate faster there, so it's like a retention basin of some sort before the water flows in the sea. Now, so the south doesn't seem to be, except this green area, doesn't seem to have much floodable things, but if you look at the north, this is where the floods seem to be more likely to happen. When you notice here, there is a build-up, fairly stable one here, here, and here. Same there, and a pretty big area. So this part is just flowing to the sea. But if you look at the very northeast, there's quite a big area. So if I zoom out, you can start identifying for the area of torquay where the possible flooding footprints might be. Okay, to summarize, northeast here, northwest here, northeast, and a little bit there. Okay, next visualization, I'm going to zoom in a square which can encompass most of these areas, and I'm going to target the rain, the more heavy kind of rain, in specifically these areas which are colored at the moment.